He's home. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Why'd they take it out? Get this out of my room. Huh? Get this out of my room.
Even my too. They bought عمري syrup in here.
So
The BC and everything.
PC's in there. I see it.
Huh?
It's Omer.
Surprise! Yo, what's going on, guys? Surprising my brother with a $3,000 gaming setup. Okay, so I'm gonna be giving him this NZXT Player 2 Prime computer. I think this is roughly like almost $2,000 by itself. The only problem is I was using that 4070 Ti in my own personal computer, but the problem is I won't have a computer now. Also, I'll be giving him these two monitors and the mouse pad. And I'm debating on whether I should give him some of the Elgato products or not. I don't know if he's gonna wanna stream. And then for the desk, I actually found a super good deal. I made a video about this during the Black Friday sales, and I got a 63-inch standing desk, like goes up and down. And I think it was like $80 or something. I got it right here. The only thing that's weird is it's actually, I think it comes in two pieces. Like there's one right there and another one right here, if that makes sense. And then for the keyboard, I'm gonna be giving him this Lego keyboard right here. I made a video about this a while ago. And then for the mouse, I've low-key put the whole family onto this mouse right here. So I got him the same exact one. The best thing about this is he's at school right now. I do need some little help. I got my little brother to come help me. And now we gotta move the stuff to his room, which is like 20 minutes away. I just remembered something. I need to completely reset the PC to like factory reset, but I think I'll probably do that at the other house. I don't know why I just turned it on. I don't know if I should take out the monitors and the monitor mount or just take it all out at once. I think I'm gonna actually just unscrew these. I love this little tool, honestly. It just makes things like this so easy. All right, so we got the monitors off. Now I'm gonna make it easy to take this off. I've already scratched the wall, which kind of sucks because I gotta pay for that. Or actually, I'll fix it before I leave. Now I'm gonna just move this. One of the best things I like about NZXT is they provide you with all like the extra accessories, cables, and all that. So I'm gonna give this to him as well. And then also he has like 24-hour support. So if he has any issues with these, he can contact them instead of contacting me. I've almost disconnected everything. I got this mouse pad that I got sent out a while ago. It's an anime mouse pad. Now he is a little bit older, so I don't know if he would like that or not. Let me show you guys. Okay, here's what it looks like. It's actually pretty high quality. It's a nice size, and the thing is, it's got RGB around. You like that? Okay, so I think we're gonna go with that. Okay, so me and him like to use earbuds. I typically just use these, like, they're like $19 from Amazon. I decided to get these for some reason. They're like the newer version. I don't know if he's gonna like it. I have these, which are like these amazing headphones, but he's not gonna like these for some reason. All right, so I got all the cables right here. I'm hoping I don't forget everything. Everything is laid out on the ground. I'm about to go put it in my car and go to the house. It's 12:09 and he comes back at the house at like 3:20. We got the computer strapped with the seatbelt. I hope it's good. I'll hold it. I'll keep a hand on it. Or maybe I should put it on the ground. All right, so we got everything in the car. There's some stuff down there, and I put some stuff in my brother's car as well. I can't wait to surprise him, bro, because I remember when I was little, always wanted a computer, always. I can't wait. All right, so I'm in the room right here. I remember I painted that black so I could have a better background for my videos. Okay, so I'm thinking of putting the desk right here. All right, so I got everything in the room. Now it's time to build the desk. I hope this doesn't take long. So this is what the desk looks like. As you guys can see, the only thing that I really don't like is that it comes in two pieces like this and it's a little thin. I hope that monitor mount is able to attach on here and be sturdy. The desk was honestly super easy to put up. It's almost done. I just gotta put this on top of there. So I'm just testing out, making sure it works, and it goes down whenever I press it, and it goes up. And you can set presets and control the speed. I'm gonna go all the way to the highest, just see how far it goes. God damn. You really can sit on here, bro, and use it like a standing desk. Like, you could actually, like, walk and you work. It's crazy because these connectors right here kind of look like power supply connectors. Or like you're plugging in a GPU or something. So the desk is fully built. It's a good size. Again, the only thing I don't like is that it's kind of thin. And then also that it came in two pieces, but the mouse pad will cover it up. Let's get the monitors on there. I hope it can bear all the weight of everything. All right, so I even got the cardboard on there just to protect the desk. Okay, so I go to connect these monitors and I forgot the screws in the cabinet at the house. Okay, so it's actually not a bad thing because I have to go grab some other stuff like the color light changing light bulbs. And then I'm also gonna go grab him an RGB strip for behind his desk. Screws are... Okay, so I cannot lose these. Also, what else we gotta get him? Let's get him some of these colored light bulbs. He can control it with his phone. I'll be honest, I do not want to come back here, so I'm just double checking everything. Okay, so in my head, everything is good. I almost walked out of here without getting the webcam, and I think I'm gonna get him I'm gonna bring this as well, just in case he prefers this over the other one. I got him the standing microphone for now just because it's easier to set up. But if he does want to stream, I'll give him a bunch of streaming equipment. It took me forever to get a computer. I remember like designing it on like different websites and watching so many videos. Damn, it's actually 15. Okay, it is 2:53. He comes back home at like 3:20, so I gotta hurry up and go. And I'm gonna park somewhere else. That Jada, and she ruins everything, bruh. Everything she touches, she ruins. Why I park all the way down there? It's because I'm gonna surprise Magid with a computer setup. So I'm parking over here so he doesn't know I'm here. You wanna be in my video? Hold on. What's up, bro? Say what's up.
What's up,
Hey,
bro?
tell him to leave a like, comment, subscribe.
Leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
If my video gets
Yeah, y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
if my video gets
500K likes.
500,
You're gonna surprise me with a PS5.
I'll give you a PS5 if this gets 500 likes.
And $100.
I'll give you $100 too. I'll give you $100 and a PS5. This
And a
matter of fact,
PS2.
let me make it realistic. I never got a video over like a long YouTube video, like maybe 25K likes. If y'all drop, nah, you guys get 25K likes on a long form YouTube video, bro, I'll give them a PS5 and $100 for her. All right, bro, I gotta hurry up. I only got 30 minutes. Bro, I really thought I was gonna have more time. I have like 20 minutes, I gotta hurry up. Okay, so the whole thing is extremely long. So I actually put some behind the desk and underneath as well because I didn't feel like cutting it. Just more RGB light bulbs. I actually use these in the strips for my apartment, and these are nice because they connect with the internet and you can like set a timer or anything, whatever you want. I should have got the same RGB strip so it's all connected by his phone, but I didn't have time. It's 3:14, bro, I'm panicking. Oh no, people are outside. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta go. Just realized I forgot the chair and the other mouse pad. And his other stuff is in the hallway. He's gonna notice. He's home. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna record his reaction from the corner or something and hide. It's almost finished though.
What the? Why did you get out? Get this out of my room. Huh? Get this out of my room.
Even my too.
Ya Allah.
They bought Amri syrup in here.
Ya Allah.
Wallah.
Omar's bad here?
Syrup. The BC and everything.
PC's in there. I see it.
Huh?
It's Omer.
Surprise! PC said I
What?
I don't know if you like this mouse pad or not. The worst thing that sucks is I didn't have enough time because my dad said I had to come here at 12. I'm not done yet.
Thank you, bro.
Setup is not done. I'm gonna move things back. It's almost, I mean, this is pretty much it. I'm trying to think. What else did I forget? Oh, do you want to stream? You might need some streaming equipment. Yeah, I'll get you a webcam. You can have mine.
Is this a Lego?
You can have an Insta360. Yeah, that's a Lego keyboard.
Oh my God.
What's up, cousin?
Actually crazy.
I saw you, Omar. I was going to ruin it, but I said, wait, he have a
I
phone.
thought Baba kicked
No,
me
wait,
out.
let him come back here.
I thought he kicked me out. Wallah.
No, bro, I'm trying to get this set up. Oh, look, you even have. That's your computer. Your computer.
Son is yours. The one that was in Omar's house. Was
Say
with me.
Wallah. Where'd
fully
you get
yours,
the
buddy.
GPU?
That's fully yours. That's a 4070 Ti too.
47.
Oh, you turned it
Wow.
on. Why? You just do. You can don't press it again. He just does
see if
things. So the RGB looks amazing down there. I'm gonna get it set up for him real quick. There's extra Lego pieces. This is the Ender Dragon or Enderman.
Oh,
That's
it has
the
Lego?
Enderman. Yeah.
Lego keyboard fully built. That's insane.
Oh, do you like this mouse pad or do you like mine?
I don't care.
I personally, it's literally up to you. If this is too young, you can take mine. I'm gonna get a
No,
new
it's
one.
fine.
I'm gonna get a new one.
When you get a new one, give me yours. But
Oh, this is RGB, by the way.
Hold
there's
this one you're
RGB
supposed to get
around.
for a
And on top of that, guess what? $100 Zelle so you could buy games.
Say wallah.
While the wallpaper engine, this still has to be factory reset, so it's like completely brand new. It should take like 3 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, so I finally want one of these. Good. You want to know the reason why I haven't been letting you go to my apartment? Yeah, the desk was there the whole time and Omar Nuruddin was asking questions about it. I swear. It was right in the living room. Okay, so this is my favorite part. So full privacy, nobody can see what you're seeing except out the window. But the thing is against the wall. You push this button up. Push it, hold it.
It's crazy.
Just stop. The problem is you want to make sure your cables have enough room to go up and down. But I think there's enough room. Okay.
Is it the furthest to go?
Bruh, what?
Wait.
This is
Like this.
crazy. You can
so good.
actually.
Try it.
I'm
try
6 foot, so it's good. Perfect.
This is actually crazy. The
I wanna-
computer is all the way up here.
It's actually crazy.
it. That look like.
Okay, so now I'm about to just reset the computer to factory reset. So everything is his. All right, so the computer is factory reset. I'm gonna turn this off so he can set everything up. Like I want him to set everything up himself, and then also I want him to kind of know what to do. So let me see if I can just turn this off. I know I'm not supposed to do this, but I hope it boots back up to that same position.
YouTube channel is
Bro, that is the cutest dog.
What's your YouTube name?
Just if you just type in Omer, she'll pop up. Look how cute he is.
How many
Is this yours?
subscribers do you have? Yeah.
A couple hundred. Let me see the other one.
OME. 100,000.
Look at the other one. Look, this one is so cute too.
Oh, this big king.
Okay, we've all seen him before.
We had him for.
So I told those little kids if the video gets 25K likes on a long form video, I'd give them a PS5 and I'd give her $100. Okay. And I low-key want it to hit. Like, how amazing would it be if they got a PS5? But yeah, one thing I forgot, I didn't know, I need a chair. Because let me show you guys. So this is like my little area right here. I got like the TV. It's actually nice. I wish it was bigger and like better. This will do. This is my living room area. I've been using this to sit here and watch Netflix and stuff. They disconnected me from my Netflix. Look at this. But I think for the meanwhile, I'm just gonna use one of these. Nah, they got me, bro. They got me cooked. Bro, I even had some good food too. I got some Harold's. What you know about some Harold's? This is actually devastating, bro. Now I gotta go buy a whole, how much is it even a month? This just ruined my whole meal. For some reason, I keep forgetting this. If I would have left and I forgot that, I would have just stopped. Got everything in the car. How beautiful is the sunset? You guys can't really see it. Well, that's like, it's like dark blue, lighter blue, and then it blends into orange. It looks so pretty. Okay, so I'm almost done. I got the chair here, and I think he prefers this. He's a little bit older, so this is just fits better. My other little, I'll show you guys. This is it. I don't have time to cable manage or even take the thing. I'm gonna see if I can Photoshop the wires out, Photoshop some like things on the wall, make it look cool. But yeah, setup complete. Okay, so this is my little brother's setup. He's using this like small one that I got, and then also he's missing a monitor, so we're gonna get him straight. This is that insane like $300 keyboard. It's like fully metal. Sounds so nice. Bro, there's a big problem. This is broken, that's broken, looks bad. I added this little cabinet thing next to the setup. I'm gonna grab that TV, I think from my living room and put it here, put a PS4 or something. So another person could play or like you watch TV. And then over here in this corner, we could put a bed frame. Okay, I gotta get him a bed frame. Actually, I low-key should give him the bed frame that's in my room. Dude, imagine his whole setup. I'm about to go back home now because I'm tired. I think I woke up at like 10 to prepare for this. It's almost 7 o'clock my time. I'm really tired. I think I'm still gonna go to the gym and do some incline walking.